Welcome everyone to this quick video updating the tutorial example project to MCE 1.0 to MCE 1.1. I initially planned to only do a video showcasing the updates of a big project, but when I imported MCE 1.1 in this project, I realized I made several mistakes when creating several stuff in there. So I was fixing the errors of the tutorial project when I stumbled upon that error, which says that experience amount does not exist in BPX in me character, and BPX in me character is part of the example content, and you should never add stuff in there manually. So what instead you want to do is to create a child blueprint of this, call that BP my enemy character, and move that in your own folders. Or maybe we already have one. BP my enemy. Actually, I'm going to my enemy character. I'm going to move that in here. I'm going to open up my enemy. And actually, I'm going to get rid of the thing I just created there. Okay, I compiled. I'm going to get rid of my enemy character, and we're just going to add experience to my enemy. Okay, my enemy is not even a child of BPX enemy character, so I don't even know why we are casting to BPX enemy character. My enemy, we're going to add a variable experience amount like this. We're going to make that a float and compile and say it's 100 by default. And in their third person character, we want to cast to my enemy like this, get the experience amount out of it like this, and we want to get rid of this and that. What else do we have here? We have problems regarding stats because I failed to properly import the stats, so we're just going to get rid of these two stats for now. Actually not, I'm just going to unplug them like this because we will need them. I think it's something like armor and strength, but I'm not sure. We'll need to recreate them if we want to use them, but I just want to get rid of the errors for now. So BPC my combat manager. Sorry if it's a bit boring. We want to plug that in here and compile, and we're going to, and it was throwing an error in there because it's looking for armor to mitigate the damage. And I'm going to open up third person character as well. Reopen, I mean. Like this. Fix armor. Fix strength. And then when I want to get back and fix all the things, I open any blueprint, type in Control F, search for fix, and click the button here, and it's telling me everywhere it's used. So maybe I need to use another convention because as you can see it was showcasing a lot of errors. So to fix, and I'm going to Control C this, armor and strength like this. To fix armor like this, I'm going to hit compile. I'm just going to remove this for now, because or else it's going to mitigate the damage I received based on my else, and I don't want that. So we are looping through something that does not exist anymore. So is that my weakness? If so, we're going to increment the damage. So weakness is now a gameplay tag like this. Does the gameplay container as tag of that type? If so, we're going to increment the amount of damage we deal like this, and we can get rid of that. Combat Manager, BP Aura Slice, etc. etc. We have every skills throwing errors at us. So I'm just going to fix all errors like we've done in the other video. So if you are tired of fixing errors, stop following this video and fix the errors by yourself in the tutorial project. And if you stumbled upon an error which you do not know of, you can check out this video back and check where I'm fixing the errors. I'm just going to fix the errors one by one, which appears there. So we were there. Third person character we've done everything we've done. So I'm just going to do that by order. My combat manager, my active skill. So like this, we have errors there. Skill tags doesn't exist anymore. Now we have gameplay tags instead. If we save, it's going to be fine. Next one on the list. Montage skill, my montage skill. It doesn't have the proper stat in there. We want critical. I'm going to remove this just so I don't end up with a lot of critical chance for no reason. My aura, gameplay tags, target query. It's going to be the same for all. It's going to be the same for all skills, I think. My aura. So BP slice. I'm going to open that up. Stunning kick. Going to open that up. Summon ally. Enemy slash. Stunning kick, summon ally, third person character, my montage kill, stunning kick, my aura, we have all of them, my combat manager, third person character, aura, slice. We're just going to open that up once again. So if we connect that to target query, gameplay tags, we can get rid of this. Slice is going to be a physical. I'm going to compile. There is another place where we looking for target queries like this. Stunning kick is going to be the same problems. Target query tag is going to be physical. I'm going to get rid of that. It's looking for gameplay tags in here. Yup, like this. And find actors in sphere. Target query. Summon ally. What else do we have? Tags, no tags in here. Targets, target query in there. Enemy slash. Targets, tags, physical. And in there, target query. Like this. And we're going to open that back to see if it's throwing any more errors. I think we're going to be almost fine with them. And if so, it's going to wrap up the video. So output log, do we have errors? No, we don't. So if we hit play, okay, it appears to be working fine. Except that they have an aura. Oh yeah, because I'm granting them an aura. Alright, we can quit. It's throwing errors at us for what reason? Get text widget. Oh, okay, I know why it's throwing errors. Because our combat manager, by default, it should spawn the proper floating text generator. My floating text generator, and it should be here like this. We hit play. Yeah, we don't have errors anymore. Alright, so that's it for the update video of that tutorial project fix error fixing. Hope to see you in the next. Hope you enjoyed it, and hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.